ChefsTemp came out with a barbecue blanket for warming. Let's get right into it. All right, so we've unboxed this thing. This thing is really amazing. So it is about 21 inches long, and I think it's about 15 to 16 inches wide. It comes with a wide range of colors, like 4 or 5 different ones, a zipper here, and then you can see kind of the foil like material inside that's kind of double insulated, and kind of let you see the inside of that real close if you're curious what it looks like. And then they say that, and then they also say that this is kind of, stain resistant on the outside. I've had a little grease already on there, so we're gonna wipe this off. And it says if you get tallow or grease on it, it just comes right off. So far it looks like that's been true. So I'm just kind of cleaning that off, just real life use. We've been smoking pork butts, about 6 pork butts, for a church event on the Kamado Joe, and we've been using this table on and off today. I've got a pork butt here that has finished off, and it is time to do the rest. And so we're gonna put this to the test. It says that it can rest it for about 4 hours. You can obviously easily fit a brisket in here, no problem. 21 inches long, and the width of it, no problem, is gonna fit that. For the average backyard barbecue person, this is a great solution. Instead of having to do the cooler method or buy yourself an industrial warmer like I do whenever I do catering, but just for like a one simple cook, we're gonna put this pork butt in here, and honestly, I could easily fit a second pork butt in here, and depending on the size, I probably could even squeeze a third one in here, no problem, and then easily one brisket. And again, this runs on the website, $45 for this barbecue blanket. Let us know which questions you have. I'm gonna see you back in about 4 hours to see how it's retained heat with a little infrared heat gun as well. And we'll let you know if you have any issues here holding the heat inside this blanket, and let you know our first impressions and final review. Well, we bought ourselves a thermal gun, and I wanted to kind of see what this looked like on camera for the first time with this barbecue meat blanket and see how efficient it is. This is right when we put it on, just so you can kind of see it, like 102, and then when we get close, it's about 107. And so I love that you can kind of actually see the bright spot where I put the pork butt. This is super cool. Kind of seeing where the heat is and where it's cold. You can also use this as an ice chest and put, ice in here, and then put cans of drinks in there. But we're gonna see back here in about 3 or 4 hours, see how this is performing, and give you our final thoughts. All right, team, so it's been 4 hours. We're gonna look at this thermal gun and kind of see where we are here. Turning it on, and now looking to see at the temperature. I can see the hot spots still here, obviously. And I want to get the temperature. There we go. Yeah, okay, so we have, when I left camera, we were at 104, and this is like 100 degrees, 100, and some spots it's 99. Yep, nope, 100, right there in the center speed. So 100 to 104 degrees from when I put it in to 100, about 4 degrees difference 4 hours later. So that means it's retained heat really well. And just FYI, I did let the pork butt come to room temperature. Oh man, that thing is solid hot right now. And just kind of the moisture on the inside. This thing is like as if I put it in just literally 4 hours ago. So it retains heat. This installation is awesome. Let me know what questions you have about the barbecue blanket, but overall, I would say this is a wonderful product, one that you should have in your barbecue arsenal. in your lineup, and I think it's the affordability of $45. Man, you could have a few of these if you're doing a lot of barbecue at once. Let us know what questions you have. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.